that is the National Moot Court Competition 2025, organized by Janardhan Bhagat Shikshan Prasarak Samsthas, Bhagubai Changu Thakur College of Law, New Panvel. Before we begin with the formal proceedings, let us warmly welcome all our dignitaries who are present here and have joined us today. Your presence truly graces and adds meaning to this special occasion. We are thrilled to kickstart this prestigious competition, which promises to be an enriching experience for all the participants. I would like to now call upon our General Secretary of the College, Ms. Prerna Gaikwad, to address our audience about the Janardhan Bhagat Shikshan Prasarak Samstha.
Good morning, everyone. I, Prerna Gaikwad, General Secretary of Student Council of Bhagubai Changu Thakur College of Law, and it is an honor to welcome you all to Shastrarth, our national level moot court competition. Before we commence with the proceedings, I take this opportunity to introduce you to the esteemed institution under which our college functions, the Janardhan Bhagat Shikshan Prasarak Samstha. The foundation of this Samstha is deeply rooted in the vision of late Shri Janardhan Bhagat Sahib, a great visionary and philanthropist who firmly believed in the power of education. He dedicated his entire life to the upliftment of the underprivileged, ensuring that quality education reached the doorsteps of the common man. His relentless efforts and selfless dedication became an inspiration for our Honorable Chairman, Shri Ramshet Thakur Sahib, who took the noble initiative to establish this Sanstha on 1st January 1992. Over the past 25 years, Janardhan Bhagat Shikshan Prasarak Samstha has flourished remarkably, expanding its wings across various domains of education. Today, the Samstha proudly manages 18 educational institutions, nurturing thousands of young minds and shaping their future. One of the significant milestones in fulfilling the Samstha's vision was the establishment of Bhagubai Changu Thakur College of Law in 2009 and 10, in the memory of Matoshri Bhagubai Changu Thakur. The college is approved by the Bar Council of India, affiliated to University of Mumbai, and has recently completed its first NAC cycle, being accredited with a B+ grade with a 2.69 CGPA. With focus on quality education and practical legal training, the college offers state-of-art facilities, including spacious classrooms, a vast library, and a well-furnished moot court hall. It strives to develop skilled legal professionals through a practical-oriented approach and clinical legal education, ensuring that students are well prepared to meet the challenges of the legal profession. With this strong foundation and knowledge, discipline, and excellence, our Samstha and college continue to strive towards shaping a brighter future for society. Thank you.
Thank you, Prerna. I now request our principal, Professor Sanvi Deshmukh ma'am, to welcome and formally address.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Chief Guest of the function, Justice Vijay Achlia sir, Ramshet Thakur sir, and all the dignitaries. First of all, thank you very much for coming here and making this event a special one. Here I take this opportunity to give the introductory speech on this event. I welcome you all to the Shastrarth National Moot Court Competition 2025. This event is a celebration of legal intellect, advocacy skill, and the spirit of justice. Mooting is not just a competition. It is a transformative experience that refines research, reasoning, and oratory skills of every successful legal professional. We are privileged to host some of the brightest young minds across the country, and I am certain that this competition will be a platform for insightful arguments, intellectual rigor, and a fair play. Here, I would like to take the privilege to introduce the chief guest of the function, Justice Shri Vijay Achlia sir. Justice Shri Vijay Achlia sir holds a BSc degree in Mathematics, LLB, and LLM in Criminal and Corporate Law from Pune University. Enrolling with the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa in 1984, Sir practiced civil and criminal law. While serving as a practitioner, Sir was also serving as an honorary part-time lecturer in the Nagpur Law Colleges. Over the years, Sir has held prestigious roles including Assistant Government Pleader, Additional Public Prosecutor, Standing Counsel for various institutions. In 1997, after 13 years of exemplary practice, Sir was appointed as a judge of the City Civil Court and the Sessions Court, Mumbai, where Sir has presided over crucial cases like 97-98 railway serial bomb blast trial. Sir's contribution to the legal reform led to the appointment as Principal Secretary and Remembrance of Legal Affairs for the Government of Maharashtra in 2010. Sir's vast experience and unwavering commitment to justice earned him an appointment as an additional judge of the Bombay High Court in 2013 and confirmation as a permanent judge in 2016. Sir's journey is truly a testament to dedication, hard work, and a lifelong pursuit of the justice. Sir, truly you are a visionary man, and we are so happy that you are here with us.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to request Honorable Shri Ramshit Thakur Sir, Chairman of Janardhan Bhagat Shikshan Prasarak Sanstha, to welcome our Chief Guest, Honorable Justice Vijay Achia Sir, with a shawl, Shrifal, sapling and memento.
It gives me immense joy to welcome you all to the Shastrarth National Moot Competition 2025, where law meets logic. This year is extra special because for the first time, our college is hosting this prestigious national level competition, marking a significant milestone in our academic journey. The word Shastrarth is derived from Sanskrit and is a combination of two words. Shastra meaning scripture, treatise or body of knowledge, specially relating to law and philosophy. Arth means purpose, interpretation or debate. Shastrarth symbolizes the art of intellectual debate or legal reasoning. We are thrilled to provide this platform for 3 days. We have already begun with our program yesterday with researcher test. Today there will be preliminary round in 2 shifts, from which 6 teams will be selected for semi-finals for tomorrow and 2 teams will go forward for finals. After that, we will be having our valedictory and your group from across the India will win this competition. I would like to tell, just like our Sandy ma'am has said, that mooting is not just about winning or losing. It is about thinking on your feet, crafting compelling arguments, and maybe even convincing the judges that black is white. Legally speaking, of course. So this competition has brought some of the brightest minds from across the country, and it gives me immense pleasure, and I'm very thankful to our judges and guests to be here today. Also, I would like to show gratitude to our management and Sanstha for always supporting us with our events. And I would like to show gratitude to our principal ma'am for giving me this opportunity to be the convener of this program. Also, my team, without whom this program wouldn't have been possible. So I would just like to say to the participants that brace yourself for this exciting journey. Stay calm, stay confident, and may the best team win. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. I take this opportunity to call upon our esteemed chief guest, Justice Vijay Achaya sir, to address our audience.
President of today's function,
श्री रामसेठ जी ठाकुर जी, Mr. the MLA of this region, Mr. Thakur, the principal madam, and all the dignitaries, office bearers on the dais, of the dais, and my young friends. I will not take much time because I was watching the watch there showing 11:15, and we are already late. That you have to start, and everybody is eager to start your debate competition. Just I am here to wish you the best of luck for this debate competition. I will not speak much here about the law and everything because this Shastrarth, the meaning is already told by Madam Aparajita Singh that the Shastra, I was also wondering why this particular word is chosen, and therefore yesterday in the night I was searching on the Google what is this Shastras, this debate competition, the book court is there, and why this word is chosen. Then I found that the aptly the word has been chosen. It is an intellectual debate. It is an intellectual debate, and you all are here to participate in that intellectual debate. This is the theme of this particular. Secondly, I compliment and this institution and whosoever is concerned with this particular organizing the debate of choosing the subject, environmental law. This is a very important subject and it is very close to my heart. I was just reading the proposition that has been set up in the rules and all this particular thing. It is a very important subject now from the point of view of each of us because we are facing, everybody is concerned with that, whether we survive or not survive, what is global warming, how bigger temperature will reach to 50, some news are there, astrology, the world is going to finish within 2030, some says in 2050, temperature will rise to 50, 60, whatever that particular, and everything will be, human life will be destroyed. So we are very much concerned with this subject, and this debate is very important, and a subject has been, this debate, important subject has been chosen. I myself has presided as a head, was the member of the bench, where the Kumbh Mela at Nashik. Kumbh Mela was organized, and for that purpose, there was a proposal to cut 2,600 trees for widening of the road and this particular. The matter was before us in the division bench, and I am fortunately I wrote that particular judgment, and because of that particular sustainable growth, you now who are participating, you have come across that sustainable. Here you have to balance the environment and the social needs are concerned. Here that is the theme of that particular environment, and this particular what is the law developed is that particular. So we took a very positive stand in the sense that is environment to be protected, simultaneously the need of the society also be taken care of that particular. So there were 35 our things we say bird, pimper, what is that particular, it takes 50 years to grow, and this particular, that the The preliminary work in that particular already done by the bench of justice, headed by Justice O, that the scientific study was made, the auditing has made, tagging was made, what is the birth of that particular, each of the tree and everything was there, location wise everything. So I declare a judgment where I pass an order that all 35 trees which took 35 years, 40 years to grow, those should not be cut. Second thing, a deviation from the normal path, that wherever the tree is there by the side of the road, suppose the footpath is of 5 feet and tree is at a distance of 6 feet from the base of that tree, then that tree is not to be cut. That time you should deviate from that particular, if the road is of 40 feet, if it becomes 38 at some place is concerned, it will not make distance. If it is in the middle of the road, then that tree should not be cut for the reason that it can be used as a divider, So this particular, how the judicial process can be molded, that where the balance can be strike. This was the one that particular, you can have that judgment available that particular. So this is the way, how will the judiciary work, how they can maintain this particular. Unfortunately, that this order was passed. The government was misconnected and everybody was annoyed. They challenged it and matter went up to Supreme Court, but the order was maintained that particular. Now the next Kumbha is coming and I pass an order that if you are uprooting the tree, plant 7 feet is first, give the 7 years maintenance contract for this year and then only touch the trees is concerned. Otherwise the apathy is that they take the orders, then they make a commitment that the alternate trees will be planted as a compensatory measure, but it never takes place. And good example is the Nashik road. This is Nashik highway, where all these particular commitments were made, but no trees were planted this particular thing. Second thing, that the transplant of the tree, that was also to be taken an initiative. So directives were given. So this is a way we can do this particular thing. Environment is a very important subject. MC Mehta versus Union of India. Most of you must have read that particular, how the law has developed this particular. If the course of river is changed, how disaster takes place that particular thing. Here now everybody convert rivers, everybody is in the process of development. They are forgetting what laws they are going to pass to the future generations is concerned. So this subject, what has been chosen, is a very important subject. I wish you all a very success in that particular. This debate to be a fruitful and very enlightening. This particular debate will be there. And now I am telling you that each of the participants, I was reading the rules, and because I am not about the debate, I like this particular that the marking system where it is provided how the marks will be allotted. This particular appreciation of application of fact, then application of legal principle, use of authority. All these principles, if you adopt, if you follow in your practice after becoming an advocate, I am telling you that you will be a good advocate if you adopt these particular principles as concerned. Whatever provided for the debate, if you adopt it in your practice also, then you will be a good. Otherwise, what we observe nowadays, if people conduct a case and then they start searching the case law, which will suit them? No. You should first have a master of, you should be master of facts. If you want to become a successful advocate, you should have a master, that man to master the facts. You read the facts, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and then even if at 2 o'clock in the night, if you are awakened, then you should be able to tell that particular facts of the whatever. After 5 years, 6 years also, if you are asked to tell the facts of the case, then you should be in a position to tell. So mastery of the fact. When you read the facts of that, then what is the other defense? What is the defense of that? Then you try to search the case law, and then bring the evidence, pleadings, drafting also. If you are respondent, where you have to take the case, what is which direction you have to go, which are the good points for you and which are the bad points for you, that particular. Then you have to search the case law, and what is the facts of the case, and fitted to that legal principle, you should find out. And then you should, whatever the cross-examination is there, or whatever. Otherwise, you conduct the cross-examination and that material is not there, and if you cite a case law, that will be of no use, this particular thing. So these are the practical things is concerned that in the practice point of view, this is not much time because we are already late. Therefore, but I will now request the principal that find me some time to interact with your student, not as a guest, as a legal professional of this particular. I would like to, and secondly, I would like to congratulate the management of this. I am watching that here the 70% students are the best students. This is a very important thing is concerned. Transformation of the society is taking place and this management is instrumental on this material. They have provided the platform for this transformation is concerned. Otherwise, what was the condition of our those students, those are female in the society about it 30 years back, 40 years back, that we, even in my family, I was to fight for that particular, to allow her to do the post graduation is concerned. Otherwise, 12वीं हो गया, नहीं पढ़ा बेटा, शादी का प्रॉब्लम होता है, लड़के पढ़े लिखे नहीं थे. This is the everything in each and every family is particular. Now this particular society, we have reached to the position where the 70% of the among the present and this gathering is concerned are the girl students, and this is a good sign for the countries also. That particular 50% population will cannot neglect this particular. That was lacking behind this particular, and that was affecting the way that this country is concerned. Now we are in pace with that particular thing is concerned. And every should strive hard, not 70%. It should be 80%, 90%. You should be. And one time that the Ramshetji should think of that as a sector, one institution for the best student only, law college for best student, best this particular. In judiciary also, we are observing the wrong thing. The 40%, 50%, the JMFC's examinations are taking place. The success rate of the girl student is more than the boys is concerned this particular thing. And they are doing well in that particular thing. And 5 years, especially for 5 years students which are present among that, you are doing very well. 5 years students are in the judiciary are doing very well. But only they are lacking in the ego problem, the practice, the experience is concerned. Now you should overcome this. At least work for 2 to 3 years with some good juniors. Don't expect for the money concession. Otherwise, new generation is that everybody wants money. The day he enters the court, he wants that to have the money. And money by whatever it is. Don't do. If you want to become a good advocate, forget about the money. You should work try hard for 3 years is concerned. Then you will not have to see back as well. पीछे मुड़ के देखने की जरूरत नहीं क्या है everything will be all right is concerned this particular. So that I want to tell you that an ethical practice. Nowadays unethical things are coming in our profession. You should not क्या बोलते short term का है long term. If you want to get long term in the profession, don't run behind this short term tactics and all these things is concerned. And I will not. Now I have already taken, I think, more than 10 to 15 minutes. I will not take much time. And once again, I thank the management, the principal, and other office bearers for inviting me and giving an opportunity to stand before you, to interact before you, and to say a few words to you that particular. And I congratulate each of you who are participating in the debate and this and the organizers of this particular college who are arranged this particular competition, that this debate will be a grand success. Thank you very much.
May I now request our Honorable Chairman, Shri Shastrarth sir, to address our dear audience.
जनार्दन शिक्षण प्रसारक संस्थेच्या भागवत चांगू ठाकूर कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ पनवेल आज आपण इथं शास्त्रार्थ अशा प्रकारच्या किंवा स्पर्धांच्या विश्वासाच्या कार्यक्रमाला त्या उपस्थित आहोत आणि आपल्याला ज्यांनी आत्ताच भाषण केलं ते खऱ्या अर्थानं ज्यांची आपल्याला गरज होती ते ऍक्च्युली असं आहे, आपल्या पनवेलचे आमदार प्रशांत ठाकूर, संस्थेचे व्हाईस चेअरमन वैती देशमुख, संचालिका अर्चना ठाकूर, आपले सचिव गद्दे सर, आपल्या कॉलेजचे माजी विद्यार्थी आणि आता कॉलेजच्या जी आपलं कमिटी आहे सीडीसी कॉलेज कमिटी डेव्हलपमेंट कमिटी, त्याच्यामधले सदस्य विनायक मोळी, इथले माजी विद्यार्थी आता कॉलेज कमिटी आहेत आणि ऍडव्होकेट पण आहेत, आहेत. दुसरे या कॉलेजचे माजी विद्यार्थी आणि माजी विद्यार्थी संघटनेचे पण अध्यक्ष होते राहुल घरत, आणि ते तिथे लॉ झाल्यावर लंडनला जाऊन एलिमेंट करून पण आलेले आहेत. आता तेही आमच्या या कमिटीमध्ये इथे आहेत. आपल्या कॉलेजच्या प्राचार्य देशमुख मॅडम, बरोबर कदम मॅडम, त्याबरोबर उपस्थित सर्व जजेस, या प्रोग्रामसाठी आलेले प्राध्यापक वर्ग, सर्व ऑपरेशनमध्ये भाग घेतलेले विद्यार्थी विद्यार्थिनी बंधू आणि भगिनींना, खरं तर माझ्या अंगावर काही कालापट नाही आहे, त्यामुळे माझ्यावर लाभ असलं काही मला काही शिक्षण मी घेतलेलं नाही आहे. पण सरांनी जो आता उपदेश दिला, अतिशय चांगला असा उपदेश दिला, तुम्हाला पैसे कमवणारे वकील होण्यापेक्षा एक चांगले वकील, नामवंत वकील म्हणून बरीच वर्ष नावावर अशा प्रकारचे अशा प्रकारचं आपल्याला त्यांनी संदेश दिलेला आहे. तर तशा प्रकारे मी आपल्या जेडी संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष आहेत अभिषेक भगत त्यांचं आगमन झालंय, हार्दिक स्वागत करतो. तर अशा प्रकारे मी BA आहे, शिकलो, ग्रॅज्युएट झालोय, पण BA आहे, शिक्षकी पेशा 3 वर्ष केलाय, 40 वर्ष उद्योग क्षेत्रात उद्योजक म्हणून काम केलंय, 2 वेळा पार्लमेंट मध्ये लोकसभेमध्ये खासदार झालोय, आणि त्याच्यानंतर पुन्हा या शिक्षण क्षेत्रावरून शाळा कॉलेज त्याचं साधारणतः जरा चांगलं शिक्षण कसं देता येईल, दर्जेदार शिक्षण कसं देता येईल याचा मी आता थोडासा प्रयत्न करत आहे. मित्रांनो, आजचा दिवस माझ्या दृष्टीने अतिशय महत्वाचा आहे. की आज मला देशमुख मॅडम नेहमीच बोलत असतात, पण सगळीकडे सगळ्या प्रोग्रामला जायचं, माझी खासदार असलो तरी अजून खासदार आहे असं समजतात, आणि त्याच्यामुळे प्रत्येक वेळा आमच्याकडचे असते उद्घाटन आमच्याकडे असे करतात, तरी मी बोलवलेले माझा उद्योग भूमिका दिला आहे, चौथ्यांदा आमदार झाला. इथल्या तंदुरुस्त नगराध्यक्ष झाले, नंतर 4 वेळा अशा पद्धतीने साधारणतः आपल्या जीवनामध्ये जे काही काम करायचं असतं ते चांगलं काम हवं, तुम्ही चांगले वकील व्हावे, पुढे जाऊन चांगले जज व्हावे, आणि त्यापेक्षा मला वाटतं जास्त आदर्श नागरिक व्हावे, आणि तशा दृष्टीने आपण या सगळ्या काही गोष्टी करतोय ते करत असतो. आणि आता ही डिबेट तुमचं होणार आहे की ज्याच्यात तुम्ही तुमचं त्याला दाखवणार आहे, तर ती महत्वाची आहे. आपण शिक्षण घेतलं, भरपूर काय जर डिग्री घेतली तरी समाजामध्ये राहत असताना समाजामध्ये आपलं व्यक्तिमत्व पुरलं पाहिजे आणि देशाच्या दृष्टीनं आदर्शत्व राखलं पाहिजे. आपल्या साहेबांनी आता सांगितलं तुम्हाला की कायदे कानून सर्व आहेत झाले, प्लांटेशन महत्व पण त्याच्या भाषा सांगितलं, रस्ते डेव्हलपमेंट चालू आहे, पण भविष्य काळामधला विचार करून सगळ्या गोष्टी करायला पाहिजे, काही विचार करणं गरजेचं आहे. तुमच्या कामांना सुद्धा तेजसने सुद्धा आपण छोटी छोटी दिले ते राहिले पाहिजे आपल्या घरामध्ये बाजूला, तुम्ही टाकलं कसल्यात असं नको व्हायला. आणि आम्ही सुद्धा ती काळजी घेतली. मला वाटतं तुम्ही या कॉलेजमध्ये आल्यानंतर तुम्हाला दिसलं असेल स्वच्छता, टाकते तुम्ही आले त्या दिवसापुरते होते 100% 365 दिवसाची स्वच्छता ही असते आणि त्याच्यामुळे आल्यावर विद्यार्थ्यांना प्रसन्न वातावरण वाटतं. मला वाटतं तुम्ही आता कामी आला होता इथं तर कॉलेज फिरून पाहिलं असेल. कसं काय वाटलं? कॉलेज चांगलं वाटलं? बरं वाटलं? काय चांगलं आहे? नक्की ना? आम्ही विचारतो पण नको सगळ्यांना. तर आमचा प्रयत्न आहे इथल्या कॉलेजचा ऍटमॉस्फिअर आहे हे अभ्यासाला अतिशय अनुकूल असं असले पाहिजे आहे. इथे येणारे प्राध्यापक सुद्धा आहेत. सर आम्ही आता इथले प्राध्यापक वगैरे ठेवलेले आहे. तर ह्याच्यामध्ये जास्तीत जास्त रेग्युलर प्राध्यापक ठेवण्याचं काम करतात. बऱ्याच ठिकाणी शीट बी तुमच्या वाचल्यात सुद्धा आलं काही गोष्टी. आम्ही बसलो त्यावर त्यांनी चर्चा केली की कॉलेजमध्ये काय आणि हे इथले विद्यार्थी सांगतील का ग्रामीण फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड आणि फोर्थ फक्त लॉ कॉलेजसाठी वापरलं जातं. म्हणजे खास म्हणजे हे मेडिकल ते मेडिकल कधी जाऊन पिरियड घ्या असं होताना हे कॉलेज जे आहे आणि खास जे लॉ कॉलेज वापरतोय एलिमेंट सुद्धा आपल्याला इथं झालेलं आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळं ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनचा तुम्ही जी कॉम्पिटिशन घेताय त्याचा त्यात भाग घेताय त्यात तुम्ही यशस्वी व्हाच आणि त्याच्या आयुष्यामध्ये तुमच्याही सुद्धा की फायदा होईल की आपण पुढल्या दृष्टीने काय करावा आणि म्हणून या आपल्या शास्त्रार्थ या कार्यक्रमामध्ये सहभाग घेतला त्याबद्दल सर्वांचं मी स्वागत करतो, अभिनंदन करतो आणि त्याहीपेक्षा जास्त आमचे साहेब स्वतः आले इथं त्यांना आमंत्रण दिल्यानंतर त्यांना आपलं भाषण केलं त्यांचं सुद्धा अभिनंदन आणि आभार मानून थांबतो. जय हिंद.
We will provide you as well as it is for the development of students. So thank you so much, sir. It is an honor to introduce the writing force behind Janathan Bhagat Shikshan Prasarak Sanstha, Honorable Shri Abhishek Bhagat Sahib, our President. I request the Principal Ma'am to kindly welcome sir to the Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to hand over the rights to Assistant Professor Aishwarya. Thank you, Priya. I shall now request our Honorable Chairman, Shri Shastrarth sir, and Honorable Chief Guest, Justice Vijay Achare sir, to declare the competition open.